SOCO Operation Microscope, SCM800. The foundation of excellence, stable and flexible ergonomic bracket. Equipped with German imported gas springs, and a two-stage locking mechanism, providing smooth lifting, rotation, and rock-solid stability after positioning for extremely reliable surgical support. 1651 mm ultra-long arm span, 330 degrees smooth rotation of the rotation arm and balancing arm, with 600 mm vertical travel, meeting all around, and angle-free surgical operation requirements. SCM800 is equipped with an independent host bracket balance adjustment knob, making every tilt and rotation of the microscope head lighter and more precise. Pendulum system. When the microscope head tilts left or right, the binoculars remain level, ensuring the surgeon maintains a comfortable seated posture throughout the procedure. Ergonomic movement trajectory, offering extremely flexible and smooth operation. Core optics, the guarantee of clear and precise vision. SCM800 employs an Apochromatic optical system with imported German high-precision optical coated lenses, delivering a pure, flawless, and true-to-life ultra-high-resolution field of view. 0 to 180 degrees adjustable angle binocular tube, combined with convenient 55 to 75 mm interpupillary distance adjustment, provides the most flexible and comfortable viewing angle, and the best fitting field of view for every surgeon. High eye point 12.5 times wide-angle eyepieces offer a larger field of view. The plus or minus 7D diopter adjustment design ensures equal comfort and convenience for users who wear glasses. 5-step zoom magnification system with magnification factors 0.4x, 0.6x, 1x, 1.6x, 2.5x, offering a total magnification range from 1.8 times to 19.1 times, precisely matching the field of view requirements of different surgical stages. Zoom large objective lens provides a 195 to 450 mm working distance, reserving ample space for instrument manipulation, and flexibly adapting to various surgical scenarios. Visual clarity also relies on precise lighting. Advanced optical path design allows flexible light control, effectively eliminating shadows. Deep cavity illumination is even and transparent, with clear detail hierarchy. Built-in high color rendering index, CRI, LED lighting system, with a CRI exceeding 90% and a pure white color temperature of 5700 K, incredibly faithfully restores the native colors of tissue. Maximum illuminance up to 120,000 lux, with continuously adjustable brightness. Even in small, deep, and narrow cavities, it provides bright, even, and shadow-free illumination for precise differentiation of treatment details. Offers large, medium, and small basic light spots to precisely match the depth of field and area requirements of different surgical fields. Integrated professional green and orange filters. Green light enhances tissue contrast for imaging. Orange light safely delays resin curing, meeting various observation and treatment needs. The light source is linked to the arm movement. Raising the balancing arm automatically turns off the light, pulling it down automatically turns the light on. Imaging expansion, a powerful extension for recording and teaching. Integrated 3-in-1 beam splitter, 45 degrees optical extender, pendulum system, beam splitter, splitting ratio, 2:8, or 5:5. Easily expand an external HD imaging system by connecting a digital camera tube via the beam splitter interface, supporting HD image recording and real-time teaching. Compatible with camera series like Canon and Sony. The camera tube features a focal length adjustment knob for convenient adjustment of the external camera's focus, ensuring image data is always clear and sharp. Wireless foot pedal controller frees your hands, allowing you to capture photos anytime. The wireless design can be placed anywhere for freer operation. SOCO Operation Microscope, SCM800. See more clearly, perform more precisely.